Hello everyone. So the today's question is there is account record, okay, and what is happening? User is not able to delete this account record. And plus one more point is there. We have checked all the automation. None of the automation is working on the this account, which can avoid the deletion of record. So no flow, no trigger, no validation rule is there. Okay. By the way, validation rule also did not work on the delete. So, what can be the possible reason why the user is not able to delete this account record? So, the answer is there are the two possible reasons. One is the might be possible that the account is having the related opportunity where status of this opportunity is closed won. If the account is having the related opportunity with the status as closed won, then the user will not be able to delete this account. Second, here, if this is not there, then the possibility is there that the account record is having the related case to it. If it is having the related case which is in the open stage, then again, or in the open status, then again user will not be able to delete this account record. So these are the two possible reasons. Even if you are not having any automation on the account, if user is not able to delete the account record, then might be possible opportunity is there, related opportunity with status as closed one. Second, case record is there with status as open, because of which user is not able to delete the account record.